Hey everyone, it's Mama Kangaskhan, and I know I don't have my usual intro or anything. I still don't have a new computer, so I'm using my tablet to record videos and stuff today to tell you this. Once I do get a new part for my computer, a new hard drive really, for my computer, and hear back from HP on when I can get it and everything, I will be doing videos again and getting my intros and getting all that stuff, and I will have to play catch up with all of my videos on this channel. I still plan on doing everything, and I feel really bad that I can't get everything out like I normally have been, but I can't really help that, and the noise you're hearing in the background is my dryer and my son playing in his room. But I still plan on doing videos, so please don't get discouraged. So I'm doing a card opening this week to tell you all of this, and I do plan on giving the code out as a consolation prize. So I'm going to try and open this while holding my tablet very carefully. There we go. Alright. Sorry you can't see me doing everything because I'm trying to keep the background the way it needs to be and everything. So here is the code card. Tell me if you get anything good in that, because right now I can't even use my codes, so odds are I'm going to be giving them all away until I get the part for my computer. And it should still be in warranty, so yeah, so let's get started here. We have a Bidoof. Oh, look at that Pikachu! Pikachu is so cute! We have a Spritzee. Where you can actually see everything. A Spritzee. A Venipede. A Skidoo, a Volbeat, a Delcatty, a Fletchinder. Our reverse is an Inkay, and our rare is a regular rare Wigglytuff. Why did I think Wobbuffet? This is Wigglytuff. I have no idea what's going through in my head right now. But, yeah, so no real good cards today. But that's okay. I'm not having a real good week anyway with my computer dying and taking all of my information with it. So, yay there. But I will see you all, hopefully, next week with a new computer. So, if not, I will be doing another card opening. And I will try to do the best I can with the videos that I can do. So I may just end up drawing everything for you guys until I get a new computer to do all the things I've set out to do. The most I'd be able to do is to try and do a slideshow of all these pictures of everything, but I don't think that's going to be working out. But that's all for this video. I will see you all next time. Please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. That would be super awesome of you guys. Amidst of everything else that is going on. So I will see you all next time. Bye!